Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make these super easy keto chocolate truffles recipe. Each truffle has only 2.3 grams of net carbs, making these healthy and velvety truffles a perfect post-workout snack or a dessert to share with friends. We'll be using a cup of sugar-free Choco chips, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of low-carb powdered sugar, 2 teaspoons of brandy, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. As toppings, some cashew nuts, desiccated coconut, and cocoa powder. We'll be starting with the Choco mixture. Place your sugar-free chocolate chips into a Pyrex bowl since we'll be working with some high temperatures. Next, heat together the heavy cream, butter, and sweetener in a pot until small bubbles are formed. Pour the hot cream onto the Pyrex that has the Choco chips and allow it to sit for 5 minutes so they melt a bit. Then, gently stir the ingredients until the mixture smoothens. Now this is super important. To elevate the flavor of your keto chocolate truffles, add in the brandy and vanilla that we separated as ingredients for this recipe. That's it. We're done with the main part of this recipe. Super easy, right? Now let your chocolate mixture cool at room temperature, then cover it up and refrigerate for several hours, ideally overnight. For the toppings, you can use desiccated coconut, cocoa powder, or crushed cashew nuts. All of these are proven hits, but you can also play with other toppings. Let me know which ones you used on the comments. Place a wax paper over your baking tray. Then take out your chocolate mixture from the refrigerator and, using a spoon or ice cream scoop, scoop out the firm chocolate ganache that you've made onto your baking tray. If you notice that the texture is too soft, it means it needs to be refrigerated some more. Shape each portion into a round truffle using your hands and coat them with the toppings you prepared earlier. Now, surprise everyone with these tasty treats, guaranteed to be a hit. Let me know in the comments what they said about these.
If you enjoyed the video, let us know by giving the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button.